Hey guys, alright, so you were asking about the light bar. So this is how it's set up. It's actually mounted on top of the push bar, or sorry, on the top end of the push bar. So it's hanging down, and the wire leading out. So right here, added the extension wire, did some heat shrink, did a couple layers just to make sure that that wire didn't get corroded or any wire got in whatsoever. So it leads in, leads over, and then actually leads to a male-female connector, and then that leads to additional wire, male-female, and then yet again got string tubing just to prevent corroding right at the ends. Then leads over, keeps going, and then that would be the relay. After I connected it, I did make sure to yet again use shrink tubing at the end of the wires, and then additionally I put electrical tape just in case to make sure nothing grounds it out, taps the wires, or causes an arc. And then it's actually screwed into the side, so there's no bouncing. The wires, for easy management, just take a permanent marker, label them SWT switch, BAT battery, and then the other one is going to be the actual ground wire, and then the power wire. So the main power wire being the white, and the switch obviously clearly marked ground. You can barely see it, but it's right there, black, and then red for battery. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and do that up. But just for reference sake, you're actually going to run the white power wire and a black battery, or black negative wire. So you can actually run that, or you can just run it straight to the battery itself to make a really good connection, which is what I did. I just have it actually going to the negative terminal on the battery, so it gets a good ground no matter what. And then, like I said, the relay's there. The wiring goes into the cabin, and then there's an actual dedicated switch box. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.